we're building a PC with absolutely zero knowledge. So follow me along, let's get going, let's get started. Something's happening. Alright people, today is a beautiful day, literally, look. The long-awaited PC build is finally here. All right, before we get started, let's hop on these glasses here so I can actually see. It's in a box over there. I've got other things that I still gotta unpack. We'll open everything up and we'll get them on the table, and then we'll start the PC build. So let's get going. Let's get going.
All right, guys. So I'm not gonna lie. We've done all our research for the parts, we've bought the parts, I've got zero clue how to put them together.
And what we're gonna do, we're gonna hit ChatGPT with some help, so.
How to build a PC step-by-step, thank you. Let's see what it spits out. Gather your components, very, very important. Prepare your workspace, I've got a small table we could work on, install the CPU. Let's have a look at YouTube as well. How to build a PC step by step. Let's look for Linus Tech Tips because I think he's got some really great ones out there. This one looks good.
Welcome to a totally normal and standard PC build guide here on Linus Tech Tips. First thing we're gonna do, open up our power supply here.
We're gonna open this bad boy up now. Got a lot of cables.
Then we're gonna flip the switch to the off position and plug it in. We're gonna go ahead and touch that in order to dissipate any static that's built up on our bodies.
First thing we gotta do is plug in the power supply unit. So that's what I've done here, next to my air fryer. And apparently we're gonna touch it to get ourselves static free.
The next thing we're gonna need is a motherboard.
I think we've got the motherboard. Okay. Sure, it should be okay.
For our CPU, as I've mentioned before, we've gone with the Core i7-9700K.
We've got a tray CPU. I've got the Ryzen 7 7700. Looks very dodgy because I got it off AliExpress.
Step one is to push down the lever, pull it out, and then...
I do this. Okay, so that's up. I'm just gonna leave it like that.
Then we're gonna see this little golden triangle here. We're gonna line that up with the dot at the corner of the socket.
Where's the little... I think we just kind of like slot it in there like that. Okay, I think we're getting somewhere. That looks pretty legit. Now, do I just do that? What? Something's happening. Oh! It came off. Ta-da!
When you're lining up the memory, make sure you carefully check the position of the notch and then push firmly.
We're gonna get our RAM installed. So I've got the Corsair. Oh, this looks so scary. And here. Okay. More force. Oh my god, you gotta use so much force. Okay.
Now it's time to install our M.2 SSD.
Okay, we got our screwdriver, let's get screwing. Oh, it does say there's a remove thing here, so we should probably remember that afterwards. Remove the sticker. Oh, am I doing something wrong? Okay, we've got a slide issue. Don't know if I did that right. Okay, maybe I should have read the instructions. Let me see if it's still in there.
Now let's turn our attention to cooling.
All right, now we're gonna install the CPU cooler.
No, I forgot to mention it here, but we went for the Peerless Assassin 120 SE.
This.
Yeah.
Putting it like this, I think. All right, so I didn't actually realize it came with thermal paste. So we've got this one over here that I bought as well. Again. Okay, I think that should be just about enough. Peel that warning sticker before use.
Alright, so at this point, I decided it was a good idea for me to hook everything up, make sure everything's running smoothly. You've got my 5060 Ti there. For some reason though, the GPU fans are not spinning. We're gonna leave that for now. Hopefully everything is okay, everything looks good.
Alright, update. It's been a very long day. We managed to get it starting up, so that's a really good sign. Everything was green, everything was good. And I guess now we're just gonna put it in a case. Alright, for the PC keys, we're going for the Lianli Lencool 207. Yeah. For dinner, we're taking a little break from building. We've got some broccoli, trying to be healthy, some braised pork belly. Whoa, look at that. Whoa. A boiled egg, and one piece in the background. Let's go. Alright, the motherboard has been securely fitted in there. Now we just gotta hook fans up, insert the power supply down there, connect everything up, and we should be good to go. Alright, I'll see you on the other side.
Holy shit, that took a minute. That took way too long. We got all the cable management there set up nice and neat, tucked behind all the whole case. Power supply units down there, nicely routed. Shit, that took way too long.
Alright, everything has been plugged in. I guess this is the moment of truth. Let's press the power button. Nice. Nothing worked. I've got it wrong, the wrong side maybe. One time. No. Oh, something's happening. Whoa. That looks to be all good. I'm gonna put everything back together now. Let's do it. Alright, I'm editing the video right now on my PC, and with that, that's the end of my PC build. Thank you so much for joining me. Hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you guys did, make sure to drop a follow, drop a like. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.